In this video, we will show you how to round number in Excel. First of all, open an Excel sheet. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will enter numbers with several decimal places in the sheet. Once you have entered the data you want to work with, go to the cell in which you want to place the roundup formula. Enter the formula equals to roundup, bracket open, A1, comma 0, bracket closed. In the formula, A1 contains the cell we want to round off, while the 0 in the formula means that we want to round it up to 0 decimal places. If you want to round cell A2 to 1 decimal place, insert the formula equals to roundup, bracket open, A2, comma 1, bracket closed. In this manner, you can use the roundup formula to round off a number in Excel. Furthermore, we will teach you how to use the INT function. If you want to round off the number towards the lower end, type in equals to INT, bracket open, 7.9, bracket closed. 7.9 will be rounded off to 7. If you want to round off to the next number, simply insert the same formula just with a minus sign in front of the number. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will apply the INT function on 5.9. The minus sign will round off 5.9 to the next integer, that will be 6. In this manner, you can round off numbers in Excel.